Alright guys, so we're out here at the Rice Life Garage, that SoCal life, you know, Cheeto, or hot Cheetos and 240. So as you can see, we got the charge speed kit out here, and I said, you know what, screw it, we're just gonna throw the kit onto the coupe. Now, the front bumper is for a Sylvia, so we're not gonna put the front bumper on, but it's for a coupe, so we can fit the side skirts and the rear bumper on. So right now we're currently trying to get the rear bumper off. He's been going at this for probably over an hour now.
Yeah, honestly, I don't even know how you get bolts on that are this complicated in a factory.
No, honestly.
And I can't get them out.
We took this off the finish panel because we thought there might be bolts on the top. No, it's nothing. So yeah, over here trying to get this out.
Delicious.
Woo! So we're out here walking over to the pink hatch right now. The car currently is making some weird noise. I don't know what it is. It kind of sounds like an exhaust rattle, and I did just put the exhaust on, so it might just be coming loose. I don't know. I just gotta go look at it and figure out what it is. But right now, show you guys what I did a couple days ago. Boom. That NRG quick release as usual. Subscribers would know. Be sure you subscribe so you know things, you know. But got bored, and I was like, you know what we're gonna do? Get the white spray paint out. Ooh, we went full hot boy on them. You had to, you know. You got the pink car, you just gotta go full hot boy. So now I got my white steering wheel. This is spray paint. It actually doesn't feel that bad. It actually came out pretty decent. So. And honestly, if you guys watch the videos, some of you might know that I painted my steering wheel. This was already painted by me because the steering wheel used to be red with the black center, and I just painted it all black. But I had to go full hot boy, and now it's white. So got those JDM interior mods. OG subscribers now. Back in the that was like a few months ago, honestly, when I made the interior mods video. Be sure you guys go back and watch that video. But boom. Interior is looking fresh now. I still gotta order some floor mats, but I feel like once I get the floor mats in, it'll bring it together real nice. I'm thinking, let me know in the comments, guys, should I throw my bucket seats in here? I don't know if I want to, but let me know down in the comments. Would it be worth it to throw bucket seats in my daily? So, let me know down in the comments. Back to the main event of the video. Side skirt chilling on the ground, car in the air. Oh, looks like you made some progress, man. Yeah. So I got the bumper off now. Now you're gonna deal with this wiring. What does this wiring even go to?
The lights for the license plate.
Oh, fuck up lights for a license plate. So, anyways, now car's looking properly drift spec. You know, no rear bumper. And after that hour of work, the bumper comes off. Dude, I never knew that the tow hook was connected to the bumper. Yeah. That's weird. So yeah.
So now we have to
car is proper drift spec now. Don't even put the body kit on. Let's just go drive around like this now.
Now I gotta take the bumper cover off now.
Alright guys, so we're gonna get the cover off, like the actual plastic bumper. Bumper cover off, and then we'll throw the kit on there and put it all together with zip ties as usual, you know? Because the Rice Life Garage. So I'm kind of just,
we're putting a body kit on.
Yeah, I'm kind of just filming whatever now, you know. So we got that, got the body kit out here, or at least the rear bumper now. Still trying to get this bumper off the actual bumper. Trying to get the bumper cover off the bumper support now. So yeah, this kit looks real nice though. I really like this kit. I just don't have a coupe or a Sylvia. So I can't really use it. So I'm just gonna let my brother use it, and I really don't care if we break it because I've been trying to sell it for the past since I got the car, the pink car. And I got the kit for free. So I don't really care about it getting messed up, and it's fiberglass. You can always just fix fiberglass even if I want to use it again. And you know, and he's not even that low, so it's not like he's gonna be obliterating fiberglass parts all over the ground all the time. If we tried to put it on the hatch though, the skirts, if I try to put them on there, that car is on.
Sitting on the ground.
That car is literally slammed on 16s, so it's the kit would just be sitting on the ground. My frame rail's already like this far off the ground, and my exhaust sparks the ground when I drive. So, anyways, still trying to get these clips off. These ones are being annoying.
These screws won't come out, so now we gotta pry the clip out without the screw.
Yeah. So pretty soon, 1 year we'll do it. All right, finally putting the bumper support back on. We get to do these 4 bolts, 2 bolts here, and there's 2 bolts on the other side. For anybody that wants to know how to take your bumper out, or your bumper support, one here, one here. They're under these little rubber grommets. So this is the same on an S13, and it's on the same on a hatch, I'm assuming. So it's all straightforward. So there you go. If you ever want to know how to take your bumper support off, now you know. 4 bolts. Look at that. Real nice. So we put the rear bumper on. It's not zip tied down or anything yet. It's just resting on there. But got the bumper and the one side skirt on. It's looking pretty nice. Still needs more low. Cut springs aren't doing it. So anyways, this is the update on the body kit currently. I think it looks pretty sick. We'll see this side with no skirt. Sick, bro. Yeah, but anyways, we're still gonna have the chooky front bumper. It's just gonna be the skirts and the rear bumper because, like I said before, the kit's for a Sylvia, so we can't even use the front bumper. But what I think he should do is go to Home Depot and make a Home Depot lip. And so basically it'll be as low all around. It'll basically just be like a chooky body kit. So anyways, once we get the zip ties, homie Diego went to go get zip ties right now in his RX-7. So once he gets back with the zip ties, we'll zip tie everything down and we'll see what it looks like. Alright guys, so what we did so that the bumper doesn't fall off of here and drag is we just drilled a hole in the finish panel, and right here in the bumper we got mini zip ties. So we put 2 little mini ones there, and then we're gonna go ahead and zip tie it on the sides here, and then that'll be fine. And then we're gonna zip tie the side skirts on those 2 places there. And yeah, put that on as one piece, and I'll show you guys when it's all on. Alright, so back bumper is on, and it is now zip tied on one side at least. Since we got the little zip ties, we have 2 zip ties in each hole. Right there, 2 there, 2 there. And then there's 2 holding it in the middle. And then obviously there's gonna be 2 here and then 2 here again. So right now all we're doing is just going around, drilling the holes for the zip ties and then putting the zip ties through. And then honestly, if you have a 240, you don't really even have to put the what's it called, door jamb bolts for the side skirts in. Just like zip tie the sides and it'll honestly be fine. Like, that's honestly better because say you hit your side skirt and it pops off, instead of it being bolted down, the zip ties will just break, and then instead of your fiberglass breaking, your side skirt will just fall off, and then you can just zip tie it back on again, you know? So it's honestly better that way if you're trying to destroy your fiberglass less, I should say, because it's gonna get destroyed either way because it's fiberglass.
We're gonna probably have to chain these ones down here.
Gonna have to what?
Chain these ones.
Oh yeah. This is a pretty far gap right here, so. Anyways. Yeah, that's what we're doing now. What are you doing on your RX-7, man?
Taillights.
Taillights? Are you gonna finally get your taillights to work? This guy's been driving around with, might I add, it's 2018 right now. What does your tag say? That says 94. 94. 1994. What are those back feeds like, my dude? So this guy drives around this car. This is his daily right here, with 1994 tags in the year 2018. Yep, but it's a genuine turbo too, so that's cool. Yeah, engine bay is a little beat up. How many pounds of boost you running right now, or do you not know?
Huh?
What's your boost right now? What are you running? Or do you not know? Got those NRG
5?
harnesses in? Like 5 pounds?
6? I low-key want to turn it up right now.
Honestly, but don't blow your apex seals like that, bro. Rotary lifestyle. So he's got this eBay special seat in here. Got the NRG harnesses. Got these at Formula Drift, right?
Yep.
Went to Formula Drift. Got the hookup on the harnesses. Got the wheels. I keep telling him to lower his car more because he has adjustable suspension. He's like, no, bro. This is a functional height. I don't care if it's a functional height, man. You gotta be stance boy about it. You gotta go full stance boy. Stretch some tires, you know?
I got money for stretch.
Got your Nissan lanyard with your Mazda. Makes sense. Throwback to the old build. Z32 life. I don't even think I ever posted that video on the channel.
Yeah, you did.
The Z32 video, did I? The 350. Did we post the 350? I don't even remember, dude.
It was with the first time this one.
Yeah, maybe. So maybe if you guys go back, the first time I ever showed this car on the channel, he used to have a 350, and before that he had a Z32 300ZX twin turbo, but it didn't have the engine in it. He bought the shell and then was gonna. What the fuck was that? That scared the crap out of me. But yeah, he had the twin turbo motor, and he was gonna throw it in a 2+2 shell. So that never happened. Ended up trading that for a 350, and then sold the 350 after getting this. So yeah, if you guys go back on the channel, you guys can probably find it somewhere. So you got this guy over here, full hot boy now. He's using a brick. I don't know why he's using a brick.
Couldn't find another 2x4.
And then a 2x4 because he doesn't want to mess up his skirts now. Full hot boy. I mean, it looks pretty. I'm not gonna lie. It looks pretty good. Now he just needs a front lip. We're trying to get our friend Jameson to come over here and give us his pig nose lip. You guys have probably seen that car on the channel too, the white pig nose. Did we ever show the white pig nose? I don't think we ever did. Well, anyways, it's basically the day after I got my pink hatch. The homie Jameson picked up a white pig nose hatch, like bone stock, actually from the same person that we bought this coupe from. It was bone stock, like completely 100% bone stock, just like this one was when we got it. So we're trying to get him to give us his pig nose lip so that we'll have full low all the way around. I think that'd look pretty sick. Think so? What are you doing out here, man?
Zip tying. Or not
Zip tying. The life of a ricer. Zip tying.
No. It's not zip tying.
The Rice Life Garage. Alright guys, so we didn't end up using the pig nose lip because I didn't like the way it was fitting and I couldn't get it to go on. So I just gave up on it. So this is what we got. No front bumper. Well, front bumper, but stock front bumper, so it looks kind of dumb from the front. But it'll have to do. Maybe we'll do the garden edging lip. Charge speed. Looks sick from the back though. So yeah, subscribe for more. And this is like Drift Build episode 3 or 4 or something like that. So yeah.